On this Rim Rockin' Tuesday, I'm Lauren Jabara, and this is your top 10 plays from NBA.com. At number 10, it takes some magic to do this to the King. Watch as Luka Doncic drives, then puts LeBron James in the spin cycle as he steps back and pops the triple. Vicious move by Luka, who leaves Derek Lively stunned. At number 9, Jason Tatum drives in, thinks he has the easy dunk, but Jarrett Allen comes out of nowhere to deliver the massive rejection. It won't be the last time you see him in this countdown. Number 8, Daniel Theis misses the floater. That's okay because Russell Westbrook comes flying in for the two-handed putback jam. Vintage Russ here with the hustle play. We take it to number 7. Just staying in LA, James Harden drops it off to Daniel Theis, who throws it down with JaVale McGee all over his back. Theis flexing his muscles on this one at number 7. At number 6, this is just a gorgeous play all around. Chris Paul delivers a perfect dime to a soaring Jonathan Kuminga for the alley-oop finish. There aren't many in the league that can get up and throw it down like he can. At number 5, Derek Lively II gets it to Luka Doncic, who gets it right back to him with a beautiful over-the-head dime for the alley-oop. The crazy thing is, this wasn't even Luka's best assist of the night. We take it to number 4. He's back! Jarrett Allen showing off as he drives inside and throws it down all over Kristaps Porzingis. Watch as Allen does it all himself and gets the one-handed poster jam to go down. At number 3, Reggie Jackson finds DeAndre Jordan off the pick and roll for the reverse alley-oop jam. DeAndre Jordan turning back the clock as he wows the crowd with a vicious alley-oop finish. That's something you don't see every day. At number 2, Norman Powell drops it off to Ivica Zubac, and look out below as he rises up and throws it down on not one, but 2 Kings players. Zubac delivers the poster on one of the league's better defenders in Domantas Sabonis. Powerful stuff at number 2. We'll take you to the number 1 overall play of the night. We think there's nothing else he can do that would surprise us, and then he does this. Luka Doncic with the insane wraparound no-look pass to Dante Exum for the 3. Luka can't even see Exum, and he somehow delivers a perfect ball to him for the triple. But I guess that's just Luka magic for you. And he lands at number 1 on tonight's Top 10 Plays.